Hi everyone, it's Kirstin Nussgruber here from kirstinscancercare.com. Do you ask for help when you are diagnosed with cancer, and how do you do that? That's a question I often get from clients because, truth be told, you are very overwhelmed, and there's this tinge of guilt as well, as I can't ask for help from these people. Everyone's so busy and I don't really know what kind of help I need to ask for. So there are all kinds of issues that prevent you from doing one of the most important things that you could do to get the best support that you need at the time. And that is being very specific about you want help, you need help, and can you please help me in a very specific way? And why that is so important is there is an energy exchange in the giving and the taking. And we need to overcome that barrier that often exists when the giver wants to give something but wants to make sure that that's the right fit and doesn't quite know, well, how do I help this person? What does this person need? And there's a hesitancy or resistance to actually just ask very directly, what type of help do you need? And as a receiver, there is that kind of guilt. Again, I can't be too specific because this is well-meaning and I want to be grateful for what I'm receiving. So I don't want to make any demands here. But I wish it would be what I really need. I don't really want to eat that, or the family doesn't really eat that, or I don't really need that service. We want to avoid that confusion. We want to be very direct because you need, as a cancer patient, all the help that you can get, and you need that help to be spot on and exactly what you need. And at the same time, the giver needs to know that specific thing or service or product is exactly what that person needs and will fill the need, will fill the gap. So what I'm giving you, I know is going to be received well and hit the spot. And also the receiver will say, oh, thank you, we'll be so grateful because that's exactly what you need. So the exchange between the two is going to be flawless. There's going to be nice positive energy flowing between. No guilt, no resentment. All of that can be done away with. And that is so hugely important when you are a cancer patient and at the same time you are someone supporting someone who has cancer. So be very specific, be very clear and upfront on both sides. Ask, what help do you need exactly? And I don't mean just give me, say, make me a meal. What type of meal? What do you like? What meat do you like? What vegetables do you like, don't like? Be very, very specific. And as a cancer patient, same thing. Ask for very specific help. Can you pick up my child at that time? Or can you do that every week? Or my child will need to be picked up every Tuesday afternoon at 3 p.m. from that and that space. Can you guys come up with a plan to just that I don't have to worry about that? Or say, please, I only eat organic. So if you want to make a meat dish, make sure it's organic meat, please. You can be that specific. So I hope this little tip has helped you. It helped me a lot. And that's really advice that I give to the patients that I work with on a regular basis. And if you're interested to find out how I can support you or someone that you know, go to my website, kirstinscancercare.com. There is a button there to click a free assessment consultation. It's totally free. It's worth $50. It's 15 minutes of my time, and I can answer the questions that you may have. So I hope I'll see you there.